Myself is Mimi Ghosh. I have completed my MA and BEd course. I like to study different varieties books and like to watch the TV programs. Hi sir, may I come in? Please come here and take your seat. Why are you involving in this job? I am thinking that the teacher job is the best ideal job, so I am interested to involving in this job. How many years experience have you? I have 5 years experience. How much salary have you deserved? I have deserved 35,000 salary. Okay, I inform you later. Conversations. Today are you busy? Yes, I have a little busy. Why are you thinking? I am thinking because my brother's is very sick. He has a car accident and he is involving in the hospital. Why are you happy? I am happy because I have won the match. Why are you worried? I am worried because I have not getting any good job. How was your exams? My exam was very good. What is your hobby? My hobby, I like to study different variety books and like to watch the TV programs. Hi mom, how are you? I am nice. How are you baby? I am fine. What are you baby? I am picking the vegetables. What is the conditions of my home? It is all right. When will you meeting with me? I am trying to meeting with you after summer vacations. Okay, I am waiting for you. Hi sir, may I come in? Please come here and take your seat and open the book's 13th page. Bring me your copy. Okay, there are some mistakes in your copy. Okay, you have listening to my instruction and pay attention to my instructions and take carefully for inform about it. Have you listening? Yes, I have been listening about your instructions